Welcome to the Prudent Pulse. We're covering the week of December 11th to the 15th. Now, this is an important week with 2023's final Fed decision on Wednesday. But before that, we get November CPI on Tuesday and then PPI as well. Now, as we've discussed recently, the Fed is watching the labor market and wage growth especially closely. Last Friday's report showed labor data firmed in November. Unemployment surprisingly dropped to 3.7% and jobs grew 199,000. On the flip side, though, wages maintain the current disinflationary trend, and last week job openings actually hit a two-year low. Now, this begs the question whether the economy is slowing sufficiently to justify the Fed cutting rates soon. The market is pricing in a probable cut by next May, and perhaps even as early as March. But so far, Jerome Powell has avoided hinting at cuts. On the one hand, the Fed wants to avoid cutting rates prematurely if inflation hasn't been sustainably beaten. Conversely, they want to avoid cutting rates late, which could stymie growth, though. Ultimately, when they do start cutting rates, they'll want to do it when the economy is cooling, not when it's in a recession. If that happens, they've waited too long. And that's this week's Prudent Pulse.